Hi, today here I have Piscafun Blaze fly fishing reel. I love it. Now this is the box, and when we open it, we have the wonderful reel inside of a nice bag with a little handle. And then we have the simple instructions, which I would like to show you. Tells you everything you need to know about using this reel. Really simple. But I'd like to bring the focus onto, are you ready? Ta-da! The reel itself. As you can see, it says Blaze on each side. And this is so shiny and lightweight. I love it. Here it is, where you attach this to your rod, and then once it's attached, it's really easy to use, and you have your turning capabilities. Can you hear that? It's like I'm about to catch a fish. I love it. It's really easy to turn. There is no struggle there at all. And the other way. What I like about this is it's great quality, it's well made, and it just looks cool. I mean, who wouldn't want this? So, I did receive it in exchange for my honest and unbiased review, and I love it and I highly recommend it. So once again, we have this reel by Blaze. Have a great day.